You can apply for an education loan, but you can't just borrow as much money as you want. Every lender has certain limits on the loan amount they are willing to approve. Those limits depend on the various factors like your academic profile and the university. So before you get your hopes up, it's important to understand the different types of education loan lenders out there and the limits. Today, I'm going to share the different options available and help you figure out which lender might be the best fit for your study abroad plans. In this video, we'll explain the education loan limits offered by public and private banks, NBFCs, international lenders, their eligibility criteria, repayment structure, and everything you need to know to make the right decision. Let's discuss the different types of loans and the lenders available in the market. The two types of education loan options are: first loan type, secured loan where the applicant pledges collateral as a security of the education loan amount. The second loan type is an unsecured loan where the applicant does not have the collateral to pledge as a security. Secured loans have comparatively lower interest rates as compared to unsecured loan options. The different types of lenders available in the market are: number one, public sector banks are the government-owned banks in India like the State Bank of India (SBI), Punjab National Bank (PNB), Bank of Baroda (BOB), and many others. These are the most traditional and widely trusted sources for education loans. Number two, private sector banks like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank also offers education loans. These banks are known for their customer service and faster processing times. Number three, non-banking financial companies, in short NBFCs, such as HDFC Credila, Advanced Financial Services, and others, are private institutions that specialize in providing education loans. Number four, international lenders like Empower, Avance, and Prodigy Finance also offers education loans for studying abroad. They have high processing fees and comparatively higher interest rates on the education loan. So if you're planning to get an education loan, the first option that anyone would think of is a public bank. Names like SBI and PNB stand out in this list. These are reliable and offer the lowest interest rates. So if you have access to a property, that you can get an education loan of 70% of the collateral. Hence, you can get an education loan from SBI with interest rates starting at 9.65% for women and 10.15% for men. In comparison, PNB Udaan provides loan up to Rs 2 crores for top listed universities with rates starting at 9.25%. Remember that public banks deduct margin money of around 10% from the asked amount. However, if you don't have any collateral, go for the unsecured loan. The first option for unsecured loans is the private banks like ICICI, Axis, or IDFC. They offer loan amounts of up to Rs 1.5 crores for certain courses. Interest rates ranging from 11% to 12.25%. To qualify for the private bank's education loan, your university should be listed in their list. The best universities, including the QS ranking, are included in those lists. However, private banks also have a margin money concept. Thus, they also provide only 85 to 90% of the education expenses. Hence, an applicants need to arrange those funds. If you don't have the margin money, you need to look for another option. So, what's next? Of course, NBFCs are the next best option. You can choose from lenders like Tata Capital, Oxelo, and Credila. NBFCs categorize loans based on the factors like your GRE score and co-applicant income. But in NBFCs, academic skills matter the most after the co-applicant income. They offer interest rates comparable to private banks starting around 12.25%, and they often offer full or partial moratoriums. However, what if your co-applicant's income and academic skills do not meet the eligibility criteria? The last and final option left with the student is the international lenders like Empower Financing and Prodigy Finance. They have designed their loan products specifically for the students who don't have a co-signer or collateral. Empower typically funds loans up to 50,000 US dollars or around Rs 40 to 42 lakhs for tuition fee expenses and living expenses. Prodigy Finance can go even higher with the amounts up to 1 lakh US dollars, around 80 to 85 lakhs, depend on the program and the country. But interest rates can range up to 11% to 13.5% with a processing fee of 3 to 5% of the loan amount. While these lenders are lifesavers, their interest rates and fees are higher compared to the Indian lenders. Plus, they usually require that your university or program is on their approved list. Therefore, when you are choosing a lender, choose based on the collateral availability, co-signer income, university eligibility, and repayment comfort. Here's a 4 key takeaway that will simplify your education loan. Number 1. Public banks offer loans up to Rs 40 to 70 lakhs with interest rates starting at 9.25% secured with collateral. Number 2. Private banks provide loans up to Rs 1.5 crores without collateral with interest rates of 11 to 12.25%. Number 3. NBFCs like Tata Capital, Oxilo, and Credila cater to GRE-based profiles and offer flexible terms with interest rates starting at 12.25%. Number 4. International lenders like Empower and Prodigy Finance provide loans up to Rs 80 to 85 lakhs with no collateral required, but with interest rates of 11 to 13.5% and higher fees. Confused by all the other options? That's where GyanDhan comes in. Based on your profile, we match you with the best loan options, whether it's a public bank, private bank, NBFC, or international lender. What we offer: documentation assistance, including doorstep service and the personalized guidance from start to finish. Want to know your loan eligibility? Click the link in the description to fill out our form. It's quick and easy. Plus, explore our tools tab under the Study Abroad section. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. As always, we are here to support your study abroad journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.